Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use ZenDrop for drop shipping. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create your ZenDrop account, how to connect your e-commerce store with ZenDrop, how to find a suitable product, how to import a product from ZenDrop to your e-commerce store, plus we will also do a walkthrough of the ZenDrop platform. So watch this video till the end to better understand the complete process. To use ZenDrop for dropshipping, you need an account on it. If you already have an account, use this login button on the top right side to log in, or else click on this sign up free button to create an account. This is the sign up page. Here you need to fill in some basic information like your name, email address, password, mobile number, and preferred contact method. Once you have filled everything, tick this box to accept the terms and conditions, and finally click on the Sign Up button. After successfully registering, you will be asked to connect your store to ZenDrop. Currently, ZenDrop supports only 3 popular e-commerce platforms, which are Shopify, WooCommerce, and Commerce HQ. You can continue with any of these 3 platforms. Here, we are going to continue with Shopify, so click on it. Now here you need to enter your existing Shopify store's URL to start importing products and start automating fulfillment. If you don't have a Shopify store, you can create one by clicking here. After entering your Shopify store's URL, click on the Connect button and you will be redirected to the Shopify login page. Here enter your Shopify registered email ID and then click on the Continue with Email button. Now enter your Shopify password here and finally click on the Login button. After successfully logging into your Shopify store, you will be taken to this page. On this page, you need to authorize ZenDrop to access your Shopify store by clicking on this Install App button. After installing the ZenDrop app and authorizing it, you will be redirected back to the ZenDrop dashboard. On the top of the left sidebar, you will also see your Shopify store's name, which means that now you can use ZenDrop to fulfill orders from your Shopify store. In the left sidebar, you will see 6 tabs, which are Dashboard, Find Products, Import List, Imported Products, My Quotes, and Order. Below is the Extras section with some tabs which you can use only after upgrading your membership plan. This is your dashboard. Here is the fulfilled orders section, which shows the graph of sales, cost, and profits along with the time. In the right side, you will see the overview section, which shows statistics of the last 7 days of your sales, costs, and profit. And below that, you will see the number of orders that need to be fulfilled. Now click on the second tab, which is Find Products. On this page, you can find all the products that you can add to your Shopify store and ZenDrop will fulfill the order. On the top, you can use this search bar to find any specific product. You can also use these filters. The first filter is about the warehouse location. From the drop-down, you can choose from ships from anywhere, ships from US, ships from China. If you select the ships from China option, then you can get cheaper products, but the shipping and delivery time will be longer as compared to the ships from US option. The second filter is category. In the drop-down, you can see there are products from all categories. You can select any one according to your Shopify store. From the third filter, you can select your suppliers. If you select ZenDrop Fulfillment, then ZenDrop will take care of everything from product labeling to delivery. If you select any other supplier, then you need to depend on the supplier for everything. And lastly, the fourth filter is the price range. You can use this slider to adjust the product price. In the products list, you will find the product image with its name. You can also see whether it is fulfilled by ZenDrop or not. And in the last, you will see the product's cost. If you hover your cursor on any product, you can also see other images of the product. Scroll down to find a suitable product for your Shopify store. And when you find one, just click on it, and you will be taken to the product's description page. Here you can see different images of the product. This is the description of the product. and below you will find its price. This is the shipping section, which is very important. Here you can see that this product can be shipped in the US by two means. One is economy and the other is regular. The economy option is slightly cheaper than the regular one, but the estimated shipping time is more than the regular option. If the product has to be shipped in Brazil, then it will be dispatched by Brazil Special Line. And if the product has to be shipped internationally, it will be dispatched by either economy or regular, but the product will become a little bit costlier. Compare everything before going further, and once you have decided your product, then you can directly place an order by using this place an order button, or else use this add to import list button to add this product to your import list. Now click on the import list tab in the left sidebar, and here you will find your imported product. To add this product to your Shopify store, click on this import to store button, and your product will be added to your Shopify store. And then this product will be removed from the import list on Zendrop. Now click on the imported products tab, and here you will see the product that we have just added to our Shopify store. You can use this view on Shopify button to view this product on your Shopify store and use this remove text to delete this product. Now click on the My Quotes tab. On the top you will see 6 tabs, which are All, Unquoted, Quoting, Quoted, Cannot be Quoted, and Linked. Once you have received a sale on your Shopify store, the product will automatically show on your My Quotes page. So you can link your product from Shopify to a Zendrop one. If you cannot find a product on Zendrop to link, you can request a quote for it. Now click on the last tab, which is Orders. Here you will see 3 tabs, which are All, Unpaid, and Link Product. As soon as you make a sale on your store from imported products from Zendrop, your orders will automatically show on this page. You can then review them and manually fulfill them, or automatically fulfill them by using auto fulfillment, in which orders will automatically be fulfilled as soon as they arrive. Or you can use daily fulfillment, in which all your unfulfilled orders will be automatically fulfilled on a daily basis. So with this, we have completed our tutorial on how to use Zendrop for dropshipping. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.